Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust 370Z headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface, facing a wall about 25 feet away. This setup provides the necessary distance for accurate beam projection. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and the fuel tank is at least half full for consistent vehicle weight. Gather a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. Before you begin, it's crucial to prepare your environment. Park your 370Z exactly 25 feet from a flat wall. Use a measuring tape to confirm this distance. Next, mark the center of each headlight on the wall with painter's tape. Then, draw a horizontal line 2 inches below these center marks. This lower line will be your target for the low beam cutoff. Now, let's find the adjustment points. Open your hood to get a clear view of the headlight assemblies. Each headlight has 2 main adjustment screws. You'll find the vertical adjustment screw on the top of the headlight housing, often marked with an up and down arrow. The horizontal adjustment screw is typically located on the side, allowing you to move the beam left or right. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust. Turn on your low beams. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Rotate it slowly to raise or lower the beam until the top edge of the low beam cutoff aligns with the 2-inch lower line you marked. Then, use the horizontal screw to center the beam. Repeat for the other headlight, ensuring both are properly aimed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.